My name is Pat Steffi. My surgeon was Dr. Keto, and he was a very nice and friendly doctor. When I was diagnosed, I was definitely afraid and upset, and the first thing the doctor did was give me a big hug. So far, I'm all clear. I just had my last test done at Three Rivers Hospital, matter of fact, last week, and I got the letter yesterday, so hopefully I'm all clear and clean of cancer. Actually, I didn't know I had cancer. We thought I had an infection. And then when he went to drain the infection, he said that didn't look right. And so he did a biopsy and found out I had cancer right then. So he was very, very easy to talk to and very friendly. And he's kind of why I decided to have surgery here, because the way he treated me, it made me feel, I was nervous. You think you're going to die automatically. So many times I've heard at Borges and Bronson that you're just another person in another bed. Here, they all knew me by name. They treated me wonderful. If I needed anything, they were there. So that was the reason I came back, because after the first visit, the doctors and nurses were very compassionate and caring here. Like I said, if I ever need anything, they were right on it. I would definitely recommend it, and I'd come back in a heartbeat. Hopefully I don't have to, but if anybody asks me about surgery or cancer surgery, I would definitely recommend Dr. Keto. He did a wonderful job with me. I would just say Dr. Keto was a wonderful surgeon. He kept me up to date at everything he was going to do and everything since then. He's always been back to check up on me every so many months, and if I ever need anything, he told me to call him right away. So I feel comfortable.